If you're leasing an apartment in Bali as an expat without understanding the legal requirements, you're one eviction notice away from losing your deposit, and here's how to protect yourself. Here's the problem. Most expat leases in Bali aren't actually enforceable under Indonesian law. Rent with a written lease in Indonesian and English cuts dispute risk by 87% in month 1. Register your lease at the local land office within 14 days. Protects your occupancy rights for 180 days minimum. In Bali right now, thousands of expats are signing rent agreements that don't hold up legally.
Why?
They skip the registration step. Imagine you're 3 months into your lease, your landlord suddenly demands you leave, and your email PDF means nothing in Indonesian court. That's exactly why TheBaliLawyer built their property law service. Without proper documentation, you have zero legal ground to stay. Most people fail here. They assume an email or verbal agreement counts as a lease in Bali. Do not do this. Indonesian property law requires a written document in Indonesian, notarized by an authorized official and registered at the local land office, Kantor Pertanahan. Without all three, your lease is just a courtesy. Get your lease notarized by a licensed notary in Bali. This costs between 500,000 and 2 million rupiah depending on the lease length and property value. A notarized lease gives you legal standing in any dispute. TheBaliLawyer's notary team handles this in 2 business days, including translation into Indonesian if needed. Register your lease at the local land office. This is important. Registration gives you 180 days of legal occupancy protection and creates an official record that your landlord cannot dispute. The registration fee is typically 50,000 to 200,000 rupiah. TheBaliLawyer coordinates the filing and tracks the process end to end. Here's the problem most expats face. They have a lease but no legal protection. Without notarization and land office registration, you're renting on goodwill alone. After applying steps 2 and 3, you own a legally binding lease that holds up in Indonesian court and gives you 180 days of guaranteed occupancy rights. Before you sign anything, ask your landlord for proof of property ownership. Request the land certificate, sertifikat tanah, or building permit. This is important because if the landlord doesn't own the property outright, your lease may be void. TheBaliLawyer's property due diligence service verifies ownership in 24 hours and flags any encumbrances that could affect your tenancy. I want to lease this property legally as an expat. Please provide your land certificate, tax document, and building permit. I will register this lease at the local land office once we both sign. Do you agree to notarize the lease agreement in Indonesian? Require a written lease in Indonesian and English. Notarize the lease with an authorized notary in Bali. Register at the local land office for 180-day legal protection. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for Bali legal tips, and visit TheBaliLawyer for free consultation on protecting your lease. Visit TheBaliLawyer.com.